It made them mad. So they got louder. Lucky for me, my family and I had just attended a Pentecostal church. So I was able to interpret what they were saying. Now, there's a Baptist family that's still sitting in line because they didn't get their food. Do I have any Pentecostals in the house tonight? Did y'all hear that? That's the Pentecostal mating call right there. They were letting Angie know they are here. Right there. Now, it's in their bylaws. When they hear the word Pentecost, if they don't go, woo, they could lose the Holy Ghost. They have to do that. Do I have any Baptists in the house? Did y'all hear that? Those are hypocrites. Those people have never wooed in church a day in their life. Bring them to a Shonda Pierce concert. We put our hair up, our Depends on, and we're raising the roof. Do I have any Methodists here tonight? No. No. I've never heard a Methodist shout. No. Any Catholics? Do I have any Catholics here tonight? Really? I've never seen one. God bless you. Now, are y'all practicing Catholic or have you figured out how to do it? Either, it doesn't matter, sis. It doesn't matter. Here's all that matters. After this concert tonight, we're going drinking. All right? So that's what we're doing. We're doing right there. Don't tell the Baptists they can't go. By the time this is over with, the Methodists will probably want to join us. That is so good. Oh.